What is up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name's Octo, and today we are back in the new survival world we made yesterday. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. It's the building a fancy Minecraft base, because as you can see, it's very fancy. So that's that. I did collect a bit of wood while I was off recording. It's cool. It's cool. I accidentally made a wooden shovel, so if I ever run into gravel, I'll use that. So, yeah, I'm just gonna survive a little bit. Don't know if I have any other stuff to do. I don't have a lot of ideas. But I'm sure you guys have ideas, because you guys are probably a lot brighter than I am. So if you guys got any ideas for what I should do in future videos, let me know down below in the comments section. And while you're down there, please make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment. Wait, no, I already said that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. You gotta put up with. Well, actually, that's a lie. You don't have to put up with me, but it'd be nice if you did, because that means people are actually watching my Minecraft videos, or any of my videos, actually. I do want to say, if you guys are watching my videos, I just want to say thank you, because it really means a lot to me. I really have never done YouTube. This is actually, like, not this video, but, like, this time on YouTube with this channel. I've actually never done YouTube before, so I don't know. Like, I'm completely new to this. I've watched YouTube before, but, like, being one is actually so cool. So just thank you guys so much for watching, so much for being a part of this. It just means a lot to me. So I'm just gonna dig an emergency. Wait a second. Yeah, let's go this way. Oh, sweet, I'm already here. Yeah, I'm just. That should have worked out different. That really should have worked out differently. Okay. Alright. I can fix this. I know what to do. This is just gonna be an emergency exit, in case my front door is, like, surrounded by drowns, which it was today, so it could have. Well, drowns are like zombie villagers, or zombies, or skeletons, any of that good Minecraft stuff. All Minecraft stuff is good, because it's all Minecraft. Just filling this in with cobble to make it look nicer. Oh shoot. Okay, that's shoot. Yeah, I'd probably make a stick still. Okay, in my head I thought this through differently, but whatever. Oh yeah, I need a door. Oh no, I have a door. Oh, I have two doors. That's very nice, actually. Coming my way, but whatever. I'm gonna remove this ceiling because it's way too low. It hurts my head. Cow, what are you up to? Should I go kill you for some meat? I did also find 2 wool while I was out, which is exactly what the doctor ordered. Fix this. There we go, guys. There we go. This is actually really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna make probably a couple floors. I don't really know what to do in this video. Okay, here's my mine. It's my amazing mine. I should have one more set of stairs at least. Yeah, I do. I see it. I can see it in my peripheral vision. I have very good peripheral vision, actually. You guys know that? Well, you do now. Also, speaking of that, join my Discord server. Why do I keep saying if you guys get annoyed with me saying let me know down below in the comments section. While you're down there, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what future videos you'd like to see. What videos you'd like to see in my future. So, also, I will put the link for my Discord channel down below in the description. Definitely check it out, because I need people in there, guys. It's. Oh, I hear a fox. It's just sad in there. Alright, So I'm just getting some more wood. I don't know why. I don't really need it. Oh, I know one thing I need to do though, because there will probably be at least iron down there. I found a giant ravine, so I'm gonna probably go check that out after I get like a stack of wooden oak logs. I mean, oh, I should build like a base on top of my base. That'll be like my mine area, like my mine base. Oh, hi, fox. So, wait. Oh, hi, cow. I think the cow's trying to get inside my Minecraft base. Don't do it, cow, or I'll eat you like this raw chicken. No, this. Oh, of course I got it. Yeah, I should have seen that coming. Poison, or hunger, actually. I'm a Minecraft noob, so. Alright, getting a bunch of wood. Should I make a mansion? I don't know. I think I'll probably make like a really big house though, because this is gonna be. So if you guys remember, like my first three videos, which were actually Minecraft videos, I like a Great World, and I had like a chest, that giant chest. It was all epic, but I had like a couple houses because I had like that didn't fall down. Why didn't it fall down? Okay, I got it. Like I had a bunch of different houses. So should I make a bunch of different houses in this world? I probably will, but I want to hear what you guys think because you guys are important people to me and probably to other people. I'm assuming, unless you're like I don't know, unless you're okay. Come on, I gotta think of something, Mike. Sweet, exactly 1 sec. Unless you're okay, I'm having a brain fart here, guys. Okay, I just completely lost my train of thought. That's unfortunate, but it's okay because who cares? Yellow dye. Gonna make some yellow wool. And I need some flowers quickly before bed. Okay, good. It's just gonna be a yellow bed for right now, but who cares? Oh, I can't swim. That's unfortunate. Yeah, there's the ravine. I'll explore that tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh, I'm so slow. I'll explore that tomorrow morning. Okay, I just want to make sure I can make yellow wool. Sweet. And now I will. Oh, once I get back to the base, I will have some. I will have a bed. Sploosh, 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 sploosh. Oh, there's a fox. Be careful, fox. Don't die. Oh, I'm so close. Come on. Open, close. Alright, there's my bed area. So, actually, I want to dig this down a bit. I'm going to make a deep bedroom. Actually, I changed my mind. I got a different idea. But first, I need to make some sticks because I need to make some ladders. Did I just make two? Gosh dang it. I swear, I keep accidentally clicking on that. It's a pain. Okay. Need 2 sets of ladders so I can dig down to make my base. Well, not my base. This is my base. A mini base, I guess you could say. A bedroom, actually. I like it. Oh! Oh, right. The cave. Right. Ah, no creeper. Oh, shoot. I was shoot, where's the... Okay, there's the ladder. Crap. Okay, I was not prepared for this, as you guys can probably tell. Okay. It's like be a nice house, though. I'm trying to see if that zombie's moving, because I swear it's gonna scare the crap out of me. Okay, here, 1 second. I need to eat something. I hear a llama. Where is it going? food? Okay, I don't. Okay, that's unfortunate, but it's okay. It's okay. This can turn into a good situation. I'm in a cave. I have a way out, and this will be a cool house. Oh shoot, where did I just place that? Alright. Yo, this isn't a bad house actually down here. So I'll make a crafting table so that I can craft stuff down here. Let's make a furnace and a door. Sure, I just made multiple doors, but it's okay. Life is good. Alright, there we go. Let's get some more ladders so that I can get my get out of here. Oh wait, there's the ladder. It's kind of in the way, but I don't mind because I'm not picky. What the heck was that? Guys? Did you? Hello? Okay, that's... Yo, what was that? Was that a new mob? Was that a new thing with the update? Jeez, I'm actually scared right now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go back up to my base because I'm scared right now. Shoot, I need my bed though. Okay, what the heck, guys? What the heck? That was low key scary. Jeez, I'm nervous right now, actually. Close the door. There we go. Okay. Whew, deep breaths. Alright. Why did it say respawn point set multiple times? Whatever. Okay, that's creepy, but it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. So wait a second. Why is that zombie holding a sapling? Do zombies? I don't know. Here's the ravine I was talking about, though. Yeet. Hopefully there's nothing too big I'm unprepared for, because that'd be unfortunate. Because I don't even got a sword, so if something bad happens, I can't protect myself at all. Are you kidding me? Okay, that's annoying. Alright, going out. Okay, oh yes! Alright, I can complete Minecraft. I can complete Minecraft. Right now, right here, right now. Alright, well... Okay, that's where I'm going to end this video, because I want to make sure you guys see how I can complete Minecraft with just this. So I'm just going to end the video right here. So, if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what future videos you'd like to see on my channel. Also, check into the second part to this, because I am going to upload a second part today. Because this is epic. I can actually clickbait this video really good. Alright, well, that'll be it for this video, so hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next time. I already said all the stuff, so, hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Octo, signing out.